Early VR, a clunky start. Virtual reality, or VR as it is commonly known, has come a long way. In the early 1990s, VR was a technological marvel, but it was expensive and cumbersome. The headsets were large and heavy, the graphics were basic and pixelated. Despite these limitations, VR held great promise. It offered the possibility of immersing oneself in a digital world. People imagined its potential for gaming, training, and even therapy. However, the technology was not quite ready. Early VR remained largely confined to research labs and a few select arcades. One of the first commercial VR systems was the Virtuality, launched in 1991. It featured headsets and exoskeleton gloves offering a glimpse into the future. Magazines and TV shows of the time were abuzz with VR's potential. Fun fact, the term virtual reality was popularized by Jaron Lanier, a pioneer in the field. Lanier founded VPL Research, one of the first companies to sell VR products. These early efforts laid the groundwork for the immersive experiences we enjoy today. Arcade Adventures VR's first foray into entertainment. VR arcades offered a glimpse into the future. They provided a space for the public to experience virtual reality. These arcades featured early VR games. Players could battle monsters, explore strange lands, and even pilot spaceships. These early VR experiences were basic, however they sparked the imagination. They showed what VR could be capable of. The arcades introduced a generation to the concept of virtual reality. This paved the way for its wider adoption in the years to come. One of the key milestones was the introduction of the Virtuality arcade machines in the early 90s. These machines were among the first to offer multiplayer VR experiences. Games like Dactyl Nightmare became iconic, allowing players to navigate a 3D world and battle pterodactyls. These early ventures into VR entertainment were not just about gaming. They also explored educational and training applications, showcasing VR's potential beyond just fun and games. These pioneering efforts laid the groundwork for the immersive experiences we enjoy today. From clunky headsets to today's sleek devices, VR's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. The giant step in, Meta, HTC, and the modern VR landscape. In the 2010s, companies like Meta and HTC made significant advancements. They developed more affordable and user-friendly VR headsets. These headsets offered higher resolutions and smoother tracking. This led to a resurgence of interest in virtual reality. These companies invested heavily in VR technology and content. They created dedicated VR gaming platforms. They also fostered the development of VR applications beyond gaming. This marked a turning point for VR. It transitioned from a niche technology to a more mainstream form of entertainment and a tool with serious applications. One key milestone was the release of the Oculus Rift in 2016, which set new standards for VR experiences. Fun fact, the HTC Vive was the first VR headset to offer room-scale tracking, allowing users to move around in a virtual space. VR has also revolutionized education, providing immersive learning experiences that were previously unimaginable. In healthcare, VR is used for surgical training and even pain management. Athletes use VR to enhance their training, simulating real-world scenarios to improve performance. Artists are pushing the boundaries of creativity using VR to create immersive art installations. The modern VR landscape is vibrant and diverse, offering something for everyone. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for VR are endless, promising an exciting future ahead. A new reality VR in gaming, meetings, and beyond. Today, VR has found applications in diverse fields, revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. In gaming, VR offers immersive experiences that transport players to fantastical worlds. Players can feel like they are truly inside the game world, battling dragons or exploring alien planets. In business, VR is used for virtual meetings and training simulations, making remote collaboration more interactive. VR is also being used in healthcare, providing innovative solutions for medical training and patient care. Surgeons use VR to plan complex surgeries, enhancing precision and outcomes. Therapists use it to treat phobias and anxiety disorders, offering new hope for mental health treatment. The potential applications of VR seem limitless, from education to entertainment. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative uses emerge. Did you know the first VR headset was created in the 1960s? It was called the Sword of Damocles and was quite bulky. Fast forward to today and VR headsets are sleek, lightweight, and more powerful than ever. VR has even made its way into esports, with tournaments drawing huge crowds and offering substantial prizes. In education, VR allows students to take virtual field trips, exploring historical sites and distant planets without leaving the classroom. Artists are using VR to create immersive art installations, pushing the boundaries of creativity. The future of VR is bright, with endless possibilities waiting to be explored.